Welcome to this tutorial on how to download Thinkorswim. Thinkorswim is a powerful trading platform offered by Charles Schwab, and in this video, we will walk you through the steps needed to get it installed on your computer. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader, this platform provides the tools you need to analyze the market and make informed decisions. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Charles Schwab website. Once you are on the home page, look for the option for Thinkorswim, which can usually be found in the menu or under the trading section. Click on that option to be taken to the Thinkorswim page. From there, you will see a prominent button that says Download. Click on that button to start the download process. After the file has finished downloading, you locate the downloaded file on your computer. This may be in your Downloads folder or on your desktop, depending on your browser settings. Double-click the file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. You may need to agree to the terms and conditions, select the installation location, and wait for a few moments while the program installs. Once the installation is complete, you can launch Thinkorswim from your desktop or the Start menu. Log in using your Charles Schwab account credentials or create a new account if you are new to the platform. Once logged in, you will have access to all the features that Thinkorswim offers. Now you are ready to start trading and analyzing the market like a pro. Thank you for watching, and happy trading!